In this emotional courtroom hearing, Mariah Lopez stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd facing a serious charge, injury to the elderly, a third-degree felony punishable by 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. As the hearing begins,
for the record for the state.
For the state.
Anthony Cantrell for the defense.
Are you Ms. Lopez? Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Lopez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are proceeding on count 3, Your Honor.
Any objection to the waiver of the other counts?
No, Your Honor.
And for the record, that's a waiver of count 1 and count 2. All right, Ms. Lopez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand in count 3, you're being charged with injury to the elderly as a third-degree felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Put that to the state. Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Lopez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, state is proceeding on count 3. Punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. The state recommends community supervision. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of your agreement? State?
Your Honor, State 62, admit State.
No. Is that your agreement?
I'm sorry, yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel of any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a top evaluation, no contact with Consuelo Franco, and the BIPP program. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes. Yes.
Then to the offense as charged in count 3, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, State State's Exhibit 1 and all its attachments.
No objections.
All right, state, if you have no witnesses, you can be excused to continue to confer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Lopez, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, why should I accept this plea?
Your Honor, my client's very remorseful for her actions. She regrets it. She's been incarcerated for at least 4 or 5 months now. She's had a lot of, she says almost a year. So,
All right, and
this was out of character for her. She regrets it. And so we'd ask the court to go forward with the plea agreement, because I think also probation can give her other help that she might need.
so what, is there some mental health issues here?
I don't think there's.
Your Honor, if I could, the victim did
If you
express-
announce,
this is Brittany Mitchell for the state.
yes,
The victim did indicate to our office that she has schizophrenia.
okay. Oh, well, okay, that explains some things, because I was not intending to follow this. All right, so, do you have any children? So you're not going to be able to live at this residence or have contact with Consuelo Franco, so where would she be staying?
Well, I was going to ask the court to, she probably won't be staying there, but she does want to have no harmful or injurious contact with her grandmother.
No, that's not going to happen.
With the mother?
Does the mother want her living with her?
I don't know that answer.
All right, because sometimes people just throw out names that they assume that people want them living with her, and they don't. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years in prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course. There's to be no contact with Consuelo Franco. I want a MIC evaluation. How long will that take, probation?
In custody, Your Honor?
Yes.
3 to 4 weeks.
All right. So there's going to be MIC evaluation while in custody. Are you on any type of medications now?
Yes, just like, thyroid medication?
All right. So,
No, not really.
all right. I want a mental health evaluation while in custody. There is going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. If Mick says she doesn't qualify, I'm going to run a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month, and that's until the mental health issues are addressed. There's to be regular UAs, proof of employment, or SSI within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with minors or the elderly. Now, probation, if she's working at McDonald's or somewhere, then that contact is okay. But outside of work, there's to be no contact with elderly or minors or vulnerable people. 150 hours of community service restitution. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Any of those meetings,
If it's determined that she's going to be on the MIC caseload or either a Center for Healthcare Services provider with the case manager, then those hours can be waived. Is there anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court? Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
And probation, also, if we can do a TAP evaluation in custody. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Court is calling 2022 CR 8756, State of Texas versus Roseanne Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Joe Stimber, representing Roseanne Garcia.
Are you Miss Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea on January 24th with no contest. That judge found there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but deferred finding of guilt. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state recommends deferred adjudication. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report, state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, she's a hardworking gal and she'll get out, get a job and be productive.
All right, they're asking that she be referred for DDRF placement,
For what?
DDRF, which suggests there's some mental health issues.
Full diagnosis.
So, Ms. Garcia, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Are you receiving any type of medications at the jail?
The site outside at night. Yeah.
And if you were released, who would you be staying with?
With my daughter.
And how old is your daughter?
She's 19.
I'm sorry, what?
19.
And how old are you?
47.
So do you have employment prospects
Yes, I do.
and doing what?
And photography. And also I have other customer service skills as well.
Photography? Okay, I don't think that's a staple.
But I do have customer service too.
All right, so I'm going to order that you get a job when you're released. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, does your daughter have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
One. Just one. And 1 year old.
All right, I'm not going to let you live with your daughter. What's your daughter's name?
Danny, Maria Garcia.
And yeah.
Danny. D-A-N-I.
All right, you can't live with your daughter. So where are you going to be living?
I'll go to your phone.
All right, because it's obvious that you have this possession less than a gram case, so you have drug issues. Drug issues plus mental health issues do not equal you living with your daughter. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And state, unless you have any witnesses or any, you can have a seat. Thank you. All right. Anything else you wish to say, Mr. Stenberg?
Well, what is CDRL?
I'm sorry, where are you looking for?
I
You mean
think
DDRF?
CDRF.
No, D, ABCD, DRF. It's the duly diagnosed residential facility.
In this emotional courtroom hearing, Mariah Lopez stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd facing a serious charge, injury to the elderly, a third-degree felony punishable by 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. As the hearing begins, Lopez enters a no-contest plea under a negotiated agreement. Prosecutors recommend community supervision instead of immediate prison time, but Judge Boyd makes it clear that she is not required to follow that recommendation. The courtroom proceeds through the formal legal process. Lopez confirms that she understands the charge, the possible punishment, and the rights she is giving up by entering the plea. Then comes the critical moment. After reviewing the case, Judge Boyd asks a simple but important question. Why should I accept this plea? Defense counsel explains that Lopez is deeply remorseful and has already spent months behind bars. He argues that probation could provide the support and structure she needs to rebuild her life. But Judge Boyd remains unconvinced. At first, it appears she is preparing to reject the agreement entirely. Then prosecutors reveal a significant detail. The victim previously informed authorities that Lopez suffers from schizophrenia. The revelation immediately changes the tone of the hearing. Judge Boyd pauses and responds candidly, acknowledging that the information explains many aspects of the case that previously made little sense. Instead of focusing solely on punishment, she begins focusing on treatment, supervision, and public safety. The judge questions where Lopez will live after release and whether family members are willing to support her. She emphasizes that assumptions are not enough. The court needs realistic plans for stability. Finally, Judge Boyd delivers her decision. Lopez is sentenced to 5 years in prison, but the sentence is suspended, allowing her to serve 6 years on probation instead. The conditions are extensive. She must complete a family violence intervention program, undergo a mental health evaluation while still in custody, participate in regular reporting, submit to drug testing, and comply with field visits from probation officers. She is also prohibited from having contact with the victim and faces restrictions involving minors, elderly individuals, and other vulnerable people. Judge Boyd orders employment verification or proof of disability benefits after release and imposes 150 hours of community service, with the possibility of adjustments based on mental health treatment requirements. The message from the court is unmistakable. Mental illness may help explain behavior, but it does not erase accountability. Judge Boyd balances compassion with responsibility, giving Lopez a chance to avoid prison while making it clear that every condition must be followed. In the end, this was more than a sentencing hearing. It was a reminder that justice isn't only about punishment. It's also about protecting the public while giving people a structured opportunity to change their lives before it's too late.
Probation, is there anything else she needs?
That's also, is that important?
Just supportive. We'll start with that.
I apologize, but I mean, wait.
Oh, no, you did not miss it. Thanks for bringing that up. So there'll be regular UAs. Anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your, just go around, counsel. Don't go through that. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Garcia, make sure you are updated on everything and stay in communication with people, because everyone here is trying to help you be successful, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.